Classical Feng Shui masters warn the dragon to tread lightly in 2026. Too many moving parts, too many risks. At Imperial Harvest, we see it differently. The dragon's power is not noise, it's precision. This is a year to advance with composure, to choose carefully, and to convert discipline into undeniable momentum. 8 seed stars elevates execution. Sky relief and relief god stars dissolve obstacles at the right moment. Progress comes not from rushing, but from choosing well. Fewer moves, cleaner outcomes. With Leopard Tail, Moonshot and Blood Knife stars at the edges, success favors restraint. Mind your words, protect your energy, and keep your cadence steady. Income strengthens with performance, while windfall stays measured. Anchor decisions in data and written terms. Avoid opaque schemes and mood-driven trades. Prioritize cash flow, prudence diversification, and clear documentation. Property may be favorable when fundamentals align. Insist on rigorous due diligence. Eight Seed Stars powers launches and key deliverables. Benefactors add access and endorsements. Clarify scope, document decisions, and communicate with calm authority. Choose the right opportunities and execute flawlessly. Collaboration and measured leadership expand your circle and reputation. Blood Knife and Moonshot stars caution against high-risk pursuits, long hauls, and 30. Keep regular meals, defense deep, and maintain moderate exercise. Short mindfulness breaks and walks reset the system. Treat small symptoms early to stay sharp as demands increase. Supportive networks grow. Lead with reliability and gratitude. Leopard Tail star reminds, choose words carefully. Irony can be misread. For singles, value consistency over charm. For couples, shared schedules and gentle check-ins keeps harmony during business cycles. At Imperial Harvest, we design destiny, never chase it. Your Imperial Path Blueprint reveals when to advance and when to preserve. Each Imperial Feng Shui treasure is a key of activation, personally matched to your element and consecrated to activate clarity, attract benefactors, and anchor composure. With alignment, relief stars become pathways, not just protection. Classical Feng Shui says, avoid risk and wait. At Imperial Harvest, we believe in refining your move and lead. For the Dragon, 2026 rewards discipline, timing, and quiet excellence. Begin with clarity, claim your Imperial Harvest Path Blueprint 2026. Turn composure into momentum, prudence into prosperity, and mastery into legacy.